How to set up Wix SEO. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to pages and menu, and then you're gonna have to select the page. So let's say I want to make the SEO, to set up the SEO for this page. So what you're gonna have to do is simply select it, or you can select the whatever page you want. And as you can see, you're gonna have this option SEO basics. So let me go back to another one. So let's choose this one here, and then you're gonna have to simply click on SEO basics, and then here you're gonna have to simply add the URL, then the title tag, and then here the meta description. As you can see, description in search results, and basically that's all you have to do. So this is the basics. Now you can also do advanced SEO if you want, but I recommend you to go with the basic one for if you're a beginner. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.